star chart for clowns. I'm not under robin's eggs in a nest. You hit a manila envelope with one last little robin's egg in it. A hollow bullet yet spent, subject to dismissal. I wish all my pinfalls could be caught by this call. Cheerio.